Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a wireless network password for Cudy AC1200. To do this, we'll need to open a configuration website for this router. You can check our previous video on how to do it. Now let's open a settings, then enter wireless. Here there's two different networks, 5G and 2.4G, and I recommend to change the password for both of them. And here you can see the password that is currently on. You can click on this I to reveal or hide it. And now to actually change it, you will need to click on the text and then enter your new password. Now go back, and here we can scroll down, click on save and apply, and your password should be changed. And as I mentioned, you will need to do it for both of the network, so that means also do it for 5G one like we did with 2.4. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.